Well, hello there. I wish you best of this day, and I want to just go over with you briefly. I'm going to be presenting to you a great business opportunity. Way to get into business for yourself with little investment, literally compare if you're doing a McDonald's franchise or anything else like that, or UPS franchise or anything else out there that's out there. Going into business for yourself costs a lot of money, a lot of overheads. The reason why we're talking is because you saw an ad, one of our ads that says from $0 to $10,000 to $100,000 and to $1 million in sales without a product from scratch. And that's what we're here to tell you about. Again, my name is Carlos Enrique Rojas. I'm down here in South Florida, North Miami Beach, and it's a beautiful place down here. But I want to tell you about this opportunity, and I wait for you to get involved in this. It's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, for your information, is almost $9 billion, $8.9 billion industry, and it's growing every year because all companies out there, from IBM to almost anything you can think of, any stores, Target, Walmart, they have affiliate model to their business model now because they want people to promote their products. So what we're going to do is we're going to train you from the get-go. And if you're interested in something like this, learning the business by the hand, over the shoulder, we'll teach you every day, one step at a time. It is a 90-day goal. If you're interested in something like this, to make from 0 to 10,000 to 100,000 to $1 million, if you think outside the box and you really want to get your business, or if you're a new person coming into the business, want to get $1 million, we show how to do the sales on that. There's a button over here on the bottom here, or this side, or a link. Click in there and read our sales page. And then what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to send to you after you do that our mass traffic blueprint. This is our blueprint for us to go from 0 to $1 million in sales. This blueprint has been taken over 12, almost 14 years to put together by trial and error. And it's the proven solid foundation for you to have this type of income. So again, down here is a link on this side. Just go in there, update it. We'll send you that free blueprint. Additionally, we're going to be working on how to make that income, how to get your business started. But additionally, we're going to help you how to get your mind thinking correctly, preparing yourself for growth, preparing yourself for abundance, preparing yourself for just way beyond your thinking. Because this is really transforms people's lives, but you need to be ready for this. We give you a lot of information very fast, but again, we're here for you. If you get stuck ever, we have our support team that's there all day long and night. You can ask questions, you get answers right away. Again, my name is Carlos Enrique Rojas, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Remember, click over here at the bottom or on this side, and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you for your time, and look forward to seeing you. To your success. And 3 principles I live with is God, family, and business. So do some soul searching and find out what your goals are in life, and let's get to them. Take care. Bye bye.